Hello, how are you doing? Teacher with a hat. I'm here to explain a very short phrase that we use when we want to talk about something that we did in the past, something that we did for a long time, but we no longer do now. Okay, something that we did for maybe weeks or months or years in the past, but that we do not do now at this point in time. So we say used to and then the verb. Okay? So for example, I used to drink in college, right? Back in college, I was 20 years old, 21, 22. I used to drink a lot, but now I do not drink. I stopped drinking, okay? So this is different than I drank in college, simple past, I drank in college. This means I used to drink. I drank for a long period of time throughout several or a couple years, but now I do not drink any longer. Okay? Here's another example. So I used to exercise. Last year, I used to go to the gym. I would exercise every day, but I stopped. I got lazy. I don't exercise now. Okay? And here is another example. I used to have hair. What? Okay, I don't have hair now, but for many years I had hair. So I can say I used to have hair. And remember, when we speak quickly, we pronounce this used to. We say it very quick. I used to have hair. I used to drink in college. I used to exercise. I used to have hair. Okay? So let me know, what is something that you used to do? Something that you used to do, or how did you used to be? Okay? Let me know. Leave some comments down below and let me know. Ask me a question if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you. Teacher with a hat.